the 2007 Mazda 3. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.